Hi, my name is Gigi and welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in Open Spring Tier 3 collaboration hosted by my beautiful friend Penny at Penny's Place and co-hosted by Miss Anna from the Grease Life DIY. And another co-host is Miss Marlene at Marlene's How To's. All their channel link will be found in my description box, so please go and visit them. With that said, let's start our tier 3. This is made tier 3, as you know, from my previous project, and my flower vase also from the leftover of my table napkin. And I got this bird from my farmhouse decoration earlier. I found this is tier 3 egg, and I have this cute little bunny. I bought it I think last year, and I just found it, so I'm putting it into my tier tray. And since it's for the spring, I'm going to put more flowers here and there, since I got lots of florals. So I'm just trying to make it as springy as I could. And I have these beads. I'm going to put it also because it's so nice and it's in pink as well. As you know, guys, I'm beginning to love pink color, so I'm trying to put pinks everywhere, white and pink, because it's so springy. As you can see, my tier 3 is so springy as well. Sorry, I'm trying to put these beads. It's just keep on slipping down. It's a bit slippery, guys. So I'm trying to put it on. And I have this little bunny. I'm going to put it underneath our tier 3. And I have those beautiful roses. I put it in a glass and I just put it underneath. Sorry, guys. The focus of my camera is not so good, but don't worry. I will try to show you all together once I finish putting it all together. And you know what, guys? You know that Easter egg is actually there's a light inside, and I'm so happy that I found that. I'm really happy, guys. I will show it to you later once I'm finished with my tier 3. And here's the look of all my stuff on my tier 3. The birds on a dream sign, my bunny is there, and I have that blue Easter egg in the middle. And as you can see, I put flowers here and there, since this is a spring tier 3. So I'm putting, and you know, guys, look at that, I have 2 birds there, and of course our bunny sign there. And like what I said, my Easter egg with the lights inside. I will show it to you later, guys, on how it came out with the light on. It's really beautiful when you see it in real or in person, but I don't know if you find it nice once I turn it on later on. I'll show it to you with the lights on. So this is oh, I love those 2 birds there. They are so cute. And this is the outcome with the lights on of my Easter tray egg. It's really beautiful. I really love it. And I'm so happy that I found that Easter egg with the lights. It is really amazing. I just love it. So, as you can see, guys, my tier 3 is made, as you know. I put those table napkin, put it in, glue in or something like that. But anyway, this is the outcome of my tier 3. I hope you like it. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and God bless always. Bye.